If you want to print from Poco C85, first of all you have to go to the settings, and right now you have to go to the more connectivity options. Right now you'll have to go for printing. There we go, and we got two default print services from Xiaomi. So if you have the Xiaomi printer, you can use this one. You should turn on your printer, make sure that you also turn on the Bluetooth, and basically wait until the device appears over here. If you don't have Xiaomi account, printer, you will have to go for this default system printing service, and also wait if your printer appears here. If not, you can add a service, so you will be redirected into the Google Play Store, and here you can find the other printers. By clicking on the search, you can even download for example, the HP print service. Here we go. So you have to just install this one, and after that, after this installation process, it will be visible over here. So we have to just open this printing service, and as I said before, you have to just connect your printer. I cannot show you how to exactly do this because there's like a lot of printers on the market. So you have to just get this device, like you connect, for example, the Bluetooth device, or use the screen casting. Next, if you have your files, you have to just open this file that you want to print. Let's grant access to all files if we are opening this for the first time. Just accept everything. Go here for the downloads. Okay, never mind, not here. We have to actually, let me just get, for example, the random picture. By the way, here you can find the real experience, how the phone works. Let's click here. And now you have to click for the details of that file, and we have to search for the print option. If it is not available over here, sometimes we have to search over here, and as you can see now, we can find this print icon. So you have to click on this, and now you have to select your printer, and basically you can just click on the print button.